someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Won't you tell me something new? Don't you think for the best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you think for the best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you think for the best if I pack my stuff a little sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? Wish you all the best I can, then I stop myself for a while.
Chase your tail light. I'll be under your skin, letting you go for a while. Then I'm taking you in. It's like diamonds, glimmer and punch. Shiny predator with a golden gun. Space age girl machine. Space age girl machine. Space age girl machine. Thought you lost me, but I'm right behind. I'm dirty and I'm fancy, and I made you blind. It's like diamonds, glimmer and punch. Shiny predator with a golden gun. Space age girl machine. Space age girl machine. Space age girl machine.
Oh my goodness, there's the goat again. Hello, goat. Let me grab that tea. I got a spicy one. I like spicy goat. My first girlfriend was a goat. You can build a bridge, but they never got you, Habib, the bridge builder. No. You can fly an airplane, but they would never call you, Habib. Habib, the pilot, no. But you get kinky with one goat one time and get caught. Forever they call you Habib, the goat girl. It is a crying shame.
Road Dogg, this you hired him?
DEI.
Oh crap, Road Dogg.
Let's talk some turkey.
For those of you out there that hit that like button, I sincerely thank you very much.
Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto with Road Dogg. This little white line up here that we're just a little smidgen away from is $100,000. It's hard. I'm having to look at it, and it's hard for me to believe that we're just inching toward there. Every little inch counts, Bitcoin. You go, baby. Come on, throw it down, Bitcoin. Get that 100K. Wow. And you know, some altcoins are doing pretty decent too. It's not just Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the ships in the ocean, in the crypto ocean, that is. Looks like Sweet's not, she's been higher, but she's not falling. Some of the other ones, they're seeing a little bit of a retracement, but some of them, oh, let's look at some of them that are doing kind of good. Welcome everybody, glad to have you here. If you don't have a Tangem wallet, well, why not? Well, good for you, because I can save you 10% off if you don't have one already. It's the coolest wallet in town. You just need an NFC-enabled phone, and you get these nice little cards, or they got a new ring combo package they got now. They actually have a ring. That's kind of cool. I don't have one yet, but maybe one of these days. Maybe. Yeah, I need to get another wallet soon. I like to have a lot of wallets to kind of spread things around, so I got two sets of Tangem. I got the original and the version 2.0 with the optional seed phrase option. Gotta throw that out there. DAWG will save you 10% off, and that's pretty much the only shield I've got. This is not a 2-hour infomercial for some trading group or anything like that. We just kind of get lost in the charts and try to find ways to make money. Because right now is the time to make money. Yeah, notice the bag's been growing, baby. I'm getting a Dolly Parton size portfolio, and I'm mighty proud of it. Come on. Let's see what we got going on, Bitcoin. Can you get up there, baby? Can you? You guys are eyeballing me. I see what you're doing. It's like you don't ever see a turkey. This microphone sounds a little bit off there. Like you don't usually see turkeys doing crypto TA late at night. What universe are you from? Let's give a quick shout out to everybody hanging out here with me. All the cool kids. Yeah, you know who you are. We got Bullish on Parade. We got Ave Medina, Cryptotropics, Tommy at 2 Liters, Rising Sun, Sicario, Barnum, Patriot Canum, Joe from Trade Intuition. How's it going, Joe? We got Grimmer. How's it going, Grimmer? Good to see ya. DIA. Oh, I lost me list. Oh, turkey! Oh, turkey! Oh! That was carefully orchestrated. Performance art. Yes, that was totally intentional. Yeah, I know it's a new art style. Let's put that on the list here. At least. DIA. Brackish Adventures, Warthog Thunderbolt. How's it going, guys? Well, needless to say, when we zoom out and kind of look at Bitcoin, pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, let's just forget all this crap. Where's our oh, I gotta get a taller chair. Hey, Elliot. Remember Elliot, his little target? Elliot, we got a bone to pick with you, Elliot. Hey, Elliot, you suck. You didn't nail it. That was pretty cool, Elliot. What's he going to do now? This is where Elliot Wave said he'd come up to. It's measurable 1618. We are in some all new juicy territories. I just want to get all this. I want to keep some stuff, but I don't want to keep everything. Let's just yes, remove it. Remove it. Remove it. I just need one top line. All I need. I just need well, two top lines. I need two lines. I want to go from wiki to wiki. Wicked! I think that's coming in theaters. That's that started. I think the mommy, the daughter, and the aunt's going to go see that. I will probably watch the pirated version here at home. Did you say that out loud? Shh. Can we come all the way up here? Anyway, this is the trend line I want to see, man. We broke out of this one, this little guy, and we doing pretty awesome with this one, right? That changes the whole ball game right here. And I'm sure we will come back to these lower 90s to retest it at some point, but right now we seem to be kind of wanting to get this 100,000 out of the way. Come here, 100,000, 100. Oh, almost nailed it right there. Oh, we're so close. Let's zoom in now on the daily dingo. We are at 98,800. Oh, those eights. Those eights. She's going very, very parabolic. You can see. We just kind of follow these trend lines. Good old Bitcoin, and then gradually start edging up there. This is our latest one. This is what we got, and it's a strong one. She's a strong one. Moving on down to 4 hour. That's a pretty good time frame. And let's just get all the other indicators off of this nice, beautiful chart of number going up. Tighten up this trend line. Look at that beautiful trend line. Look at that beauty go. Ichimoku cloud. Just all green and erect. Just pointing to the upside. Like a groom on his honeymoon night. Just happy to see you. Just laying it out there. Just like, oh my, I wasn't ready for 10,000, 100K. That's a little bit bigger than I expected. Well, I don't know if it's our lucky day or the worst day ever. I guess it's whether you like it long or like it short. Somebody's gonna be disappointed. We come up and tap that 100K area. Come on, Bitcoin. The big thing, look here, is the big thing to notice here, in my personal opinion, on the 4 hours, a very good time frame. Strong moves right above that non-moving average. See how they respect it? Show some respect. Respecting that non-moving average. Not even when they get away from it, 21 brings them back in line. Right. And if it, for some reason they get away from the 21, usually the 50 can wrangle them in. The 100, that's a deeper correction. Those suck. But anyway, strong trends kind of right below, right above that non-moving average. Maybe dipping its wick into the 21 on the side and on the sly. You sly devil, you. Stay away from that 21. I'm telling you, she's nothing but trouble. Don't do it. She's cute, I understand, but you got a non right there. Stay right there. You don't need nothing with 21. I know she's legal. Hey. You learned your lesson, didn't you? Yeah. The 17 got you in trouble, but the 21's good. 21. But don't go with it. Hey. $100,000 on his way here for Bitcoin on the 15 minutes. Can you believe it? Look at that, Helen. It's a headless horseman. We got a line here that will be a little bit of resistance. It'll be interesting to see how this works out if we can actually come up there and tap that. I'm sure there are going to be a lot of sell orders up here. This is psychological area of resistance. A lot of people saying, I'm going to sell when it gets up to 100,000. Now they might be starting to feel that little greed, saying, hey, if she can go up to 100,000, they saying they can go up to 500,000. They may start doing that and start pulling them limit orders back a little bit. I don't know. But this was where a lot of people were saying, I'm selling, baby. She goes up there, I'm cashing out. Woo! I'm buying that Lambo that day. And so there are some plans there for people to dump on our heads. But then that Bitcoin I predict will be all gobbled up by all this big mass money. It keeps coming into crypto. How's it going, everybody? Let's go see what Layer GG is talking about, because usually he's throwing down some alpha that we need to know about. Sean? Habib? Are y'all making out? What the? Ladies and gentlemen, Turkey from the news for the juicy altcoins. What happened today in the last 12 hours for crypto? Well, Bitcoin made a new all-time high, nearing 99,000, nearing 100,000 now. Solana touched its previous all-time high of $260. Reuters reports that Trump proposed cryptocurrency advisory council could set up a U.S. Bitcoin reserve. Citron released a report stating that MicroStrategy stock is overvalued. It noted that it is bullish on Bitcoin itself, but hedges MicroStrategies in a short position. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler announces that he will officially step down on January 20th, 2025. Don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you, Gary. Thank you. Yeah, took you this long to do the right thing. Yeah, after doing all the wrong things. Since the announcement, XRP has slightly risen. FTX has announced that it will begin reimbursing users by March. Following the news, FTT jumped about 40%. Charles Schwab, the $7 trillion asset manager, plans to offer cryptocurrency investments directly to its clients. New CEO Rick Wurster told Yahoo Finance. Snitches get stitches. Discussions between the SEC and issuers looking to launch a Solana spot ETF are ongoing. And the SEC is currently working on an S1 application. I like Stargate 1, the first episode, first season, SG1. A new trip router proposal has been published that adds profits for JTO stakers. If this proposal passes, the JIDO treasury fee for JIDO tips will be reduced by 15 blocks per second from 2.85% to 2.7%. This fee will be redirected to JIDO stakers via the JIDO tip router. Well, that was a mouthful there. Peter Piper pecked a peck of white on. Coinbase International has announced the cow perp market, which sounds illegal as hell to me. What? The cow perp market? The perpetrators of cows. No, the cow perp market, which will begin on November 26th after 9:30 a.m. UTC time. Please don't sue me for that, Coinbase. I didn't read it right. It's Lex Dixia or something like that. Wintermute received 1.5% of the win supply, approximately 11 billion win. Let's give a like and a little retweet. A re-X, if you will. Layer GG, thank you for the news. Let's get back to the charts. Thank you, Elvis. Holy Bitcoin, we ain't there yet. So interestingly enough, let's zoom out and let's look and see what's going on with the other parts of the crypto world. We're facing some resistance now with our altcoins. Will we break through that little area? We could. That would be epic if we do. Let's zoom out. Total 3. She just wanted to keep on trucking, she is. I told her not to go. I told her she needed to take a rest, but she couldn't, you see? She wanted to keep on pressing up there. She was just on fire. She only had one way to go, and that was up. We tried to keep her down, but no, she wouldn't hear of it. She says, no, I've got a mission. There was no keeping her, no stopping her, no stopping her. And she's trailing on to $953 billion. Ooh, total free market cap. Hey man, she came back and broke above a trend line. You know what that means? Yeah, babe. We gotta clear some candles, but it's usually, yeah, baby. Okay, so don't count your chickens before they hatch, because some of them are going to be some good scrambled eggs. For real. I'm just saying. So, ooh, is that a chicken hatching right there? That's a chicken hatching above that trend line right there. I counted it right there as one. On a 2 hour? Above the non-moving average? Oh, that's good for my DGen. Let's FOMO in! Woo, baby. I should be getting paid. Am I getting paid today? How's it going, people? 19 beautiful people. Thank you for being here. Let's start looking at some just altcoins. We're just checking out the indices. Let us get a little feel the weather. And the weather is good. The water feels good. Come on in, baby. Don't be shy. Why, take your clothes on off, honey, and come on in. Pamela, come on. Oh, save me, I'm drowning, Pamela. Oh, what? Let's move on, shall we? Let's not talk about my past girlfriends or anything. That would be improper. Yeah, that would be not right. Look, Bitcoin dominance is starting to come down. That's Tommy Lee, you're a rotten snake. You know why?
Because he got a bigger snake.
Hey, shh. Bitcoin dominance. She just teasing us, I think she's still working her way up. That's going to affect altcoins. But hey, man, I can't complain. It's not been that bad for altcoins. It's still, Bitcoin is still in the show. I got to say, it makes me want to look at this paper trading account. Do we have that over here? Can we do it? Connect it? You can do that over here on TradingView. You know, it's the standard software that we all use. Don't have to, but it's the best one. It's just good to have it. Even the free version, which is awesome. But they give you $100,000 to start with, and my goodness, we've already made $1 million over here. We got $1.3 million. If only that was real money instead of paper pretend money, but the majority of it is all in Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin at 26,000, 56,000, 65,000, 27,290. I should have bought some at 15. I didn't think about using this then. And a few little altcoins, but let you know that the money can't be made in Bitcoin. I know you think it's a boomer coin, but she just boomed her way to making people lots and lots of money for a boomer coin. Well, I think we've covered just about everything except this one, US Tether dominance. It threw up all over the screen. I tried. It was motion sickness, and then it just gave it up. Tether dominance. Did you know that it broke a trend line, like like a major freaking like the trend line? It broke it, like this one back here. Like looky here, look here, mister. Tighten her up. From a candle body to candle body-ish. I almost nailed it. She could probably be tightened up just a little bit to the upside. And she broke it. I take it all the way to that little wick there. There we go. She broke it. Ain't no doubts about it. Now, the only thing that we could do is maybe. Let's go to the extremes. Let's do the little cheat moves, like the little. No, I'm in doubt. No, it can't be. Are you sure? Take it all the way to the end. Make sure. We'll play that card. We will take it all the way from that candle bodies all the way to those little wicks behind my little horns right here. Oh, hey, we may be safe. We're saved by the wicks. There's also a 360 moving average here on the weekly time frame. Now that's kind of a big one in my little trading system, my little moving average system. So, usually when we bounce from these areas, it's no bueno for Bitcoin and crypto. I'm just saying, when we bounced last time, that's when we started losing and big drops and everything. Is this a front runner that we're going to bounce here? Or maybe we can go sideways. We did go sideways over here at this point in the market back in February 2021, and that's when Bitcoin just kept on rising up. So that would be cool. Replaying something like this would be awesome. That's what we hope for. This. We want to see this. Please let us see this. Can we please see that going on here? That would be cool. That means number go up, bye-bye. And then maybe we can get a little double top. Altcoin season is upon us. Let's come back to the chat one more time, and then we will go into our list of altcoins. I do have those coins on the list. XRP says Linda. That one is on my list. That is actually the first one on my own list. Bulletin Parade says my inner adult says that 10% of everything. So sell 10% of everything. If we dump, will alt dump too? You know they will. Or will dominance go down too? I think dominance is going to continue up personally. I really do. And Bitcoin and altcoins, I think will struggle. Here, I mean, on the altcoins, we were tracking this and we lost that. Let me get that channel out of there. That idea is gone. But we're retesting that area, and I think it's, you know, that should be some strong support, or a strong resistance rather. If we break up above that, we start getting above 900 billion on total 3 and get above, you know, that resistance area. That's usually pretty bitching. But normally what happens is we get rejected. That's just what normally happens. So are we at the freak stage of this market where it's about to go batshit crazy, or are we just going to get a good healthy correction, come back and retest this top area that we identified way back in March, which, man, did it throw things for a woo. Yep, I'm a believer. 3618. It's a notable Fibonacci area that I wouldn't doubt that we come back and retest. $782 billion area means losing about 100 million. I'm still calling for a Thanksgiving kind of, oh man, what happened with crypto? Why is it not doing anything? That's just me. That's not the charts are clearly not saying that at the present moment. But that's just my jaded holiday memories. Maybe this one's going to be different. Wow, look at the SPX over here. Standard and Poor 500. Most of your tech stocks, they had a nice little bounce off of this area. Things about to get crazy on Wall Street, y'all. Micro strategies, I'm saying. Yeah, you need some of that. Yeah, I think she's on a dip too. You can't go wrong with micro strategies. I'm just saying, that one's been a sweetie. Let's take a look at DIA. My goodness, we got to swing high to swing low. We're still in our little accumulation zone. Okay. Trying to identify the channel area. That's not really all that important. Trend line that we lost. What, on the weekly? Let's come down to smaller time frame. Here we go. Makes more sense. Oh, back up. I just saw that. Here on the daily, we've got a green dot here on Market Cipher. Kind of cool. Now, money flow is in the red right here, and also this little area down here. So it could flip back into the green. That's what we need to see, because when it's in the green, things are good, right? Yeah, things are sweet when we're in the green. And even the bad things aren't as bad when we're in the green. We like being in the green. It's always good to be in the green, but we're not. We're in the red right now. But everything else is kind of cool. Stochastic's going up on the daily. She's starting to regain that 9-moving average. That's cool. I like that. RSI looking for a breakout. Did you break out? You're naughty. You're naughty little minx. You're breaking out. Come back. Come back. And she's getting ready to tear out of there according to that little thingy. Let's come over to the 4 hour. How you doing on the 4 hour? Well, if you don't get anything on the 4 hour, I'm like, what's this? This is kind of weird. This is just like the Try a different time frame. Go to one where something is being respected. Now this one's respecting the 360 here. I see the respected the 260. It looks like this one's going to be for this particular asset. The 6 hour looks like it's a pretty clearly speaking chart. It doesn't have all the noise and riffraff that the 4 hour has. At least with the moving average strategy, right? It's got some good things to say. It looks like this could be that support that you needed there at 65 cents. We're at 75 cents right now. She did one of them nice big old moves. Let's see what you're doing overall. DIA. Can we clear you out? No, I don't want to do that. I just want to get rid of this stuff. All this stuff. A nice 618 retracement. Cool. Me likes it. Me really do. Me likes it. What about you? I guess I'm back to using my cheater codes. So we can assume that that's the bottom, and that's what I'm going to do because, hey, I'm a DJ that way. We'll wait for a confirmation. We can do that. Wait for higher highs, confirm a trend, that kind of thing, you know. But some of us are just kind of impatient DJing. So I'm one of them. So I'm saying, yeah, that's probably your bottom. Don't judge me. Shh. Who else is a DJ in here? So it's the same little deal that we do all the time. Now we got to swing high to swing low. We got an accumulation zone, which we're in right now. Break up above it. The sweet spot I'm seeing now, it's going to be 107, 108, and that where we were, I guess, or near where we were. That area about 92, 93 cents, 91.74 is what it's actually saying here on this particular chart. Those are the good shorter term targets to look for this, in my personal opinion. We could have some fun over there. Now we got that. Well, we got that established. Oh, look. Yeah. No. Let's take a trend line. And shove it where the sun don't shine. Shove a trend line where the sun don't shine. Shove a trend line. There we go. It's going to be some resistance. Some resistance going up there. She might have to find her way up there to that 93 cent area. That looks tricky. But the other scenario is kind of cool. That's where we break back above this trend line. Yeah. Then definitely looking at these areas up through here. So DIA, from where we are, if we make it up to that first target, that's about 20% gains up the second target to $1.08. That's 42% gains up to the juicy higher targets, up about 149-ish, 94 to $1.63. That would be 114%. That's the sweet zone right there. That's the one worth waiting for, in my personal opinion. But it could be a wait. It could be a wait, but it should be a nice, sweet little rejection zone. And I like those sweet little rejection zones, whether it be at 163 or 179, because, well, that's where the sweet money's made. I like that sweet money. It's a lot better than those sour grapes that I've been feeding on for the past 8 or 9 months since we dumped in March. Guys, I didn't pay attention to the top, didn't respect the top signals. Stupid turkey dog. I meant to look at XRP too. Let's take a look at XRP. It said it would never happen, but it happened. It exploded. It went up like crazy. I'm on a big time frame, like the 6 hour, and there it is. This being, I don't know, man. We were just sitting around minding our own business, and we just heard something rumble, and it was our portfolios. They just started taking off. It just looked like they were going to the moon. There was no stopping it. I tried. I held on. I tried to jump up and grab that last little string, but no, it just floated away. It just kept on going. Even Bobby Joe, God bless his heart, FOMO'd in. Wherever you are, Bobby, you're up there somewhere. Hey, you can throw me some XRP if you want to, you greedy bastard. Oh, hey people. God bless Bobby Joe. Living on that high pie in the sky life. Let's go weekly chart. Let's get these targets out of the way. That's silly amateur stuff for XRP now. What? This is Binance, right? You go back to, oh wow. I forgot. This is actually really good for XRP because she's been held down for a long time. Oh, you went to 3. No, Binance. That's right. You came around in 2018, I remember. We gotta get the real history on XRP. Come on, baby, let's do this. Let's do this like a true crypto professional. Is there such a thing? Let's go with the TradingView chart. Here we go. Oh, we've been here before, haven't we? Lovely. My lovely lady lumps. My spidey senses are tingling. Now I've got this 194 area because that was the previous top that we had back in April of 2021 during the bull market top. It's the best you could do last cycle. Best you could do. XRP was going to $589 last cycle. But we did get a breakout of that trend, so now we're on something new. And we got a lot of new stuff going on, so maybe XRP will be everything that they said and hope that it will be. I don't know. They did definitely pave the way for the fight, so I respect them for that. There's no taking that away from it. Our high here would be $2.09 at that sweet 618. It's just something about the sweet 618. It just hits all the right spots in all the right places. Let's see if we can get up there. If we need a little more, we'll go to that 786er. XRP, cool. How big is how much did that come up from the 200 moving average to where we are now? Man, look at that, 130%. So this is the weekly. Let's come down to the daily, see how she's doing. Still okay, even on this one. I'm looking at all these moving averages down here. The big ones, the small ones. They got a lot of coming up. They got a lot of work to do to catch up with that price. They need to start moving. They better start moving, or you might see these weighted moving averages weigh that price right back down to them. They'll be your anchor. You don't need an anchor, XRP. You need to be cut loose so you can fly. You can go to $589 like they said you would. I don't have as near as many XRP as I used to. Because dang it, at some point you gotta say, this is bullshit. I found myself saying that a lot with XRP, and finally I said it a little bit right before this happened. I still got some. I didn't get out of it ever. She sure was one of the first ones I was going to be cutting some profits out of. We got moon bags. That's what moon bags are for. Come on, XRP, make me a moon. Go to 589. I'll be good with that. $1.70 is this purple line I've got up there. Because if you're going to have a line, why not make it purple? You feel me? 173, 208. XRP! Look here, in the 12 hour, because we just randomly showed up here. Got the green line here on Market Cipher money flow in the green. Looky there. Like it. Everything's pointing up like it should. Like a teenager in the strip club for the first time, things are looking up. They're pointing up. Let's check out that Shiba. You got a little Shiba in you, Wallet? You suck. That sounds like a dad joke. Leave site. Why? Why would you ask me to leave? Changes you may not be safe. Well, I'm taking offense to that. You're banned. Get out of here. I can't have you being negative in my chat room like that. Leave the site. What? Well, that's my channel. Can't tell me what to do. Let's go, baby. Is it gonna flag to the upside? Woo! Hey, we got a little bite up here at this 786. Yay. Let's see, got some decent and triangle vibes going on here with a 9 moving average. Bearish across there in that 21. That might be something she's got to work out in therapy. So we'll take a look at that. Because when these things start to break down, unless they're breaking out, well. And we got the WikiWix. They often form a channel. And that drop on that channel has got some confluence down here. Woo! Where are we at? Shiba Inu? I can't even say what number. That's down at 20. We're at 25.17 right now. There could be a retest in this area down here. Makes sense for a breakout of that nature. But also a nice little flag there. So if it's a breakout of this, hey, if not, she loses this area. Hey, don't be surprised if she dips down this low. This area doesn't hold. At the same time, you're speaking both sides. Yep. 618 Fibonacci if she wants to go the other way. But I say you got something, you got some confidence over here, however you want to look at it. Some trend line opportunities, support. Your chart looks like a mess. It is odd. I'm a performance chartist. I appreciate that term. That came from one of you guys. I believe it was DP. Look at this, Solana! Look, we nailed it, and then it nailed us, and then we all got nailed. It was a big old just nailing party. Hammers everywhere. Bags of nails. Step on attack. Look, the little red line giving us some resistance right there, like a little red line should, but are you going to try to break out of that? What? You're going to try to go for the gusto? Can you go for 283? That's our next target. My next level is 283. 280, yes, ish. Come on now. Seriously? Oh, she's trying. She definitely trying. 1 hour say she's trying. She's a trying. We got the green dot saying let's go. We got some duck lips forming right here. Look at them big old beautiful duck lips. It's better than a turkey leg right there. You can't get no better than that. Turkey duck lips. Turkey, that makes this turkey lips, doesn't that? Oh. Should I be offended? Anyway. I think I offended myself right there. You suck, road dog. Anyway. Solani. Laying it on us. Can we go to 282? Well, let's try. Let's keep on moving up, Solana. Hopefully those meme coins are doing pretty good. I also want to take a quick look at ICP. You pervert. Well, it's all over the streets nowadays. Hopefully that will straighten out. Nothing like a the fresh air of August. Nope. That's not. Nope. That smells like ammonia and smells like a meth lab. Well, the real cool areas to be targeted for ICP is starting at 1162. Yeah. That 1345, 1341 area, that was and will continue, I believe, to be the little sweet spot. Probably kind of range through these two little areas right here. On our way to back to 15, I gotta mark the 15. That's it. That's that sweet little magical number that we just kind of gravitate toward. I can't explain it. It's mystical forces and all that. This Fibonacci something. The golden ratio. Beauty in mathematics, if you will. I still don't have my OnlyFans foot club name, official name, or graphic yet. I'll let you little foot perverts teachings know about it very soon, though. Trust me on that. Love you guys. Oh, love you. You're awesome. Don't feel like I'm cheating. I'll show you a little ankle. A little ankle in my little PJs. Oh, a little ankle right. Oh, you don't get to see the feet. Yeah, I'm teasing you. See? Marketing. Hey. You don't know what we're talking about, darling. You probably can't afford it, you know, but hey, we'll try to get you there. Just keep on tuning in and asking questions, gosh darn it. Hey, look, the moving average is starting to gain above this 200 moving average on ICP, and she's trying to do something here. $9.77 coming up in this from $7.50, which is, I ain't bitching about that. It's kind of silly to talk bad about this one. Imagine doubling this. Ooh, let's do it. Hey, what you guys talking about? You better not be about talking about turkey on Thanksgiving. I'm just saying, cut that right now. You're going to Chick-fil-A, you know you are. Jimmy Page, dude, I'm not worthy. Dude, Jimmy Page, we're not worthy. Do you think Bitcoin needs to do a stock split to bring the price down to $10 in order to attract retail to be able to buy full Bitcoins? Jimmy Page, with all due respect, I do not understand that question. As if Bitcoin does not function as a stock, it does not do stock splits. That is why it is now $100,000. Although you can buy portions of it, it is fractionalized. But MicroStrategies now that one, that's what's going on there. You need you on that side of the game. MicroStrategy is what you want to play. MicroStrategy. Costa Ricardo says if Gary was slick as AF, he would have bought a big ass bag of XRP before announcing his resignation. Somehow I bet he might surprise us on all that. Good Lord. Let him go crawl back under the rock he came from, which he came. Remember says Christmas dump, January pump. That sounds about right. For real, it does. Sicario says Mad Prophecy. Why is that box moving? Mad Prophecy is prophecy and I dropped out of college. Good for you. So then it says ICP is looking lovely. She is looking lovely. LOL. Banned, I say. It's my channel. You can't tell me what to do. She even Pepe should run since ETH is moving. Thank gosh ETH is moving. King Hell. Oh my gosh. With the lateness bell. Hey King Hell. How's it going, mister? We got a little devil girl hangs around here. You probably know her. Where do I find the dancing banana indicator on TradingView? That's the secret sauce. I'm not at liberty to say, because they say snitches get stitches. And I don't feel like seeing any carving knives right now. You feel me? I feel vulnerable right now. Hey, Happy. Yeah. See, Happy. See. Cracking that whip on my ass. All right. Turkey leg footsie group. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. It's for the elite crew. The very elite. I could give a crap if my altcoins go up now. It's Bitcoin season. That it is, Warthog Thunderbird. That it is. It's definitely Bitcoin season, especially if Bitcoin dominance continues going up past that 60% area. Oh yeah. Guess I gotta start stopping teenagers in the grocery store now just to see what the next meme is. Good Lord, Chill Guy is the worst thing I've ever seen. Oh gosh. Man, these memes, I'm telling you. I dabble, but that's it. There's no way you could go crazy. I think Toshi and Bread are my probably two biggest ones. I got two separate bags. They're probably, unless they went up, I think Bread has went up. Probably about $1,000 because it went up there to $1,000 or $1,200 maybe total, and I've moon bagged them. Or Toshi I have. I'm not sure about Brett. But I mean, I can't imagine these people that are putting like $10,000 into, especially like one meme or anything like that. I mean, I guess if you've got that kind of money to throw that way, silly goose. See if you can keep it. Good luck to you. Another one that's moving is Avalanche. That Avalanche is starting to go uphill instead of downhill. That's kind of cool. That hasn't happened in a while. Can she do it? Look at that little box. It was a juicy buy point that we never ever came back to. Cause you suck, old dog. I was waiting on that. I could have been in, but I'm not. You suck. Shh. Just bring it for a hug. I'm gonna take these guys off. Where are you? Get some of those guys off there for a minute. Avalanche. Finding whatever makeshift trend lines that we can find. Because you're expecting the important one, right? $40. We did look at the big pool. That's all we got to do. Swing high and swing low. The bigger picture. It's not going to steer us wrong. It's probably going to put us on the best direction right there and find all those juicy targets. $41.33 is the next one we're looking for. Let's go do it. Let's break out of that and then let's start going back to $61 like we did back in March. You can do it. I got faith in you, you dirty little crab pattern. Is that what you are? Filthy, filthy. Look at you. Nasty. Come on, let's go back up here. Let's go back and touch 61. Those are my bigger price targets right there. Let's go. Go nail that little sucker. Come on, go do it. Go touch it. Feel it. Breathe it in. Whatever you're gonna do. Make daddy happy. You've been making daddy happy a lot lately, Crypto. I'm getting to the point I'm like, I don't know if I want to show this to the wife. She might start wanting some of that. No, we're trying, honey. We're working every day. We're trying to do it. It's hard out there. Oh gosh, it's hard. But little by little, you know, when I don't know, the alts may start doing something. You know how it is. I know we should have all went Bitcoin back in the. I know, honey. Yeah, it's terrible, but you know we'll just grind it out. We'll know next time, right? I'm just saying. I don't need any new remodels or anything going on right now. No. Every dollar cashed out right now, the total market, in my personal opinion, is about another $10 or $20 in just a few months. And I'm like, why would you want to do that? Silly goose. Silly goose. For those of you that do not, how many of you guys got an exit strategy? You know how you're leaving, how you're taking your money out of crypto? Do you have a plan to do that? Or you just want to watch it go up and watch it go down? Let me get some 111s in this chat. Tell me, you got an exit plan? I got an exit plan. I meant mad token. What? Who's mad? You're mad? Don't be mad. You're mad at a token? Mad, let's check out. Mad token. Melon. Oh, snap. Did you go up? Why did you deviate from the plan, Mad? Why did you go up above that line, Mad? Listen, Mad, me and you're gonna have a talk. Respect it. All right, so we have very little to go on, and that's about as good as we can get right there. That should be that should be for this swing high to swing low. I mean, she should be extremely tired now. We can start looking. We'll infer. That's a fancy way for saying we're going to guess that is our top now. Nice parabolic move. Nice little wick up there, if you will. That's one of the things to look at when things start to get a little tired. You start seeing some big tall wicks, and if nothing else, it means things are a little tired. She's expecting that 9 moving average. There's some good things happening here on the 1 hour, especially that little, there's a green dot, duck lips. We got Mad looking strong again. I think she just came back for a little pullback. That wasn't bad. She was up here 79.93, dropped back. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you just don't see it until you actually pull out that measuring tool and get all these coins with all these zeros. But that was a 55% drop from the very top. This happened just a couple hours ago. That was a big, okay, so that's a big flush out. That's how I would read that. That's a flush out. She's still trying to do her little parabolic thing. It started to look like it was over, but it's not. She hasn't broken the major trend lines or anything. She's above that 9 moving average. This is a place to. Are you on Coinbase? Don't FOMO, Road Dogs. Be an example. Shh. Shh. Hey man. I'm just looking. Sean? Are you on COINEX? Why are you not on COINEX? Well, then, I guess I can't FOMO into this one as easy as I wanted to FOMO into it. All right, so she did her 618, and what's she doing now? Well, let me get this out of the way so we can kind of think a little bit. Jeez, I can't even hear myself think. I'm going to go from low to high because what better way to do it? We got this. Tell me where now I can buy. We can buy it there, but we want to sell. We want to sell in this little sweet spot, this little sweet area right here now. So now we got 2 more targets. 2 more juicy targets based on this pool. Well, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, if you will. 0.0001 and 0.00011. Doesn't sound like much until you realize, hey man, if I could just go to MexC and buy some of this, I might be able to get what, 88, 100% gains and moon bag it. Where, you know, a couple $100 in now. Take my $100 out and I still got $100 worth of this at that new price, but I don't never have to worry about it. Doesn't matter if it goes to 0, doesn't cost me anything. All my risk is out of this market, but if it wants to go to, you know, some crazy tremendous market cap and this is $100 suddenly turns into like a, you know, $10,000 bag, I'm like, it only cost me $100. Don't tell the tax man. 19 for you. 1 for you, 19 for me. I'm the tax man. We talked about this little guy just a couple of nights ago here. Last night, night before, I believe. Anyway, she's getting her little pullback. She's respecting that non-moving average. Nailed it. What was that? I don't know. Let's clear some of these things out. So looking for Manakee to come back and retest that 16.5 cent area, but I kind of like this 22.5 cent area right up here as being our next target. This was a measured move. It's blue, and I wasn't lazy and actually color coding things right. That should be a measured move. Manakee. So we can kind of swing in line. Oh, are you respect? Oh yeah, you do kind of. All right. I play ball with you, sister. Let's move you up here. New target 6-1. Oh, hey man. Didn't mean to scare you off. New target's 18.0184. 5-ish. 4-ish. 4-ish? Crypto's like a box of chocolates. Is that an Adam and Eve? Well, it possibly is. Only dummies go ahead and call it early. Only fools call it early. It sounds harsh to say, especially coming from a turkey, but I mean, you got to look at it that way. It's, you get a bias. Oh, Oh, I can't wait till it plays out. I'm going to go ahead and just suck it in because it's going to go to $5. That's what it is. It's going to play. It doesn't have to play out. It can get rejected up there. It can do lots of things from here. It's possibility that that pattern is going to form. It's not formed yet. It's not done all the things to confirm it. But you can play it on the way. You know where to take some targets, take some targets. You can play that guy. You may see something totally different. Squint your eyes, turn them sideways. Best thing to do is just zoom out. How about that old chill guy? I have none of this. Right? Thank you goodness. Just a chill guy. Whoa, what's up in here, man? Oh, that looks more weird. Is it having a heart attack? Is that what's going on? Is he going flatline? No flatline. Please don't flatline, just chill guy. Somebody get chill guy a glass of water. He's so chill. For real. Huh. I say boom because there's no other word for what I'm seeing right here other than, hey, good luck. You need to break back up above this trend line and hope and pray. Chill guy. Chill guy got too relaxed, man. He found I think he fell off the bridge. He got so relaxed. Ah. Swing low to swing high. Tell me what we need to buy. Well, you bounced off of it. Let's see if you can get back above this. If it gets back above this trend line, it could actually be a real nice, strong move. And that might be worth looking at right there. Gets back above 38, 39 cents. We could be looking back up around 60 cents for chill guy. That'd be a nice, not quite a 2x, but worth being in as this channel just kind of does what it does and puts the brakes on you when you start getting up to these higher areas. Maybe even 60 cents. Wouldn't that be nice? Chill guy. Let's chill out, dude. Oh, we got some 111s. Ah, Joe, Ave, woo! Drive your 5-0. Ben Moonbag and Ada XLM H bar. Settling the. Smart cookie, that one. Smart cookie. Goes to Ricardo. Crypto says, can someone do a welfare check on Peter Schiff and his gold? Actually, gold's been hanging. It's been hanging around. It's been coming back up. It looked like it was dropping. I play a little bit in PAX G because I'm just kind of using it as a little store of value. Just a little bit. Oh my God! Can we not? They just what they do? What the stop it! Now stop it! Pedro, stop it now! Gosh. Alrighty, so I was looking for like a bounce off of this area, and it looks like she's trying to do it. She's trying to do it. She's trying to respect this trend line. Respect it, baby. Respect it. Respect that 21 movement. Respect this 382 Fibonacci. Gold could be ready to get ready to do something bigger, and I like it. So, come on, gold. Peter Schiff may not be that disappointed. People are still going to be buying into gold, and especially since there's the, I think the BRICS nations or whatever are going to have some gold reserves and maybe partially back their currency with gold. I mean, the world needs to do that now and get away from this silly fiat stuff that got us on this messed up world that we're in right now. It's all the bankers' fault with all this fake money. It's so easy for them to get and so easy for them to cheat with it. It's so easy for them to extract wealth from the common people out there working their asses off. It's a messed up system, and thank God the world's finally waking up. I'm like, pinch me, I'm dreaming. I'm not believing this. I thought I was a nut job conspiracy theorist that's saying this is what I see, man. Am I nuts? It's a conspiracy theory, man. Oh shoot, for real? I still see it. No, man, it ain't real. Dang. Really? The bankers aren't really trying to control and force us all to go to war and get their little circle of all that stuff going on. No, man, conspiracy theory. Oh. Wow. A lot of those things have kind of come true lately. That's weird. Where's the aliens? Where's that triangle crap? All right, people are leaving. Goodbye, everybody. So sorry. My bad. I kind of already went through my list here. The only other one I haven't been to on my list is FWOG. Oh, I thought FWOG was getting a FWOG is getting a pullback. Pull with a FWOG, getting a little bit of a pullback. He's coming back in my little. My areas were not deep enough, but that's where she said she come back to about 43 cents, maybe down as far as 38. She could still do that. She hasn't really touched this trend line yet, but she may not do that. She may double bottom. This is a higher low than what we got there. That's the first sign that we look for a trend reversal. She starts coming up and gets over 59.60 cents, makes it a higher high. Well, I would recommend that the next time she comes down, you might want to buy a little more because she might be getting ready to do something and start going back up to 70 cents or more. Nailed it. FWOG. What's in your breakfast cereal? All right, guys. 1 hour stream. I think we did pretty well there. Take a look at Bitcoin hanging out at $98,688. Did you get rejected, honey? Did they reject you up there? They make you feel bad. You're gonna go grab the machete, ain't you? She's gonna go grab that machete. She's gonna take that 100,000. She ain't taking no for an answer. Remember, we're still looking for about 109,000 where they could kind of, if there's a short squeeze here in this area, imagine that. Price can get up above the 100,000 area, maybe a little bit above it. Start seeing some short squeezes happening there. I could pop us up quite a bit. I can see 109, 104, 109. It could be a coming. We're looking more and more like I don't want to call it up only phase too early, you know, but 4 years ago, that's a lot of what we were doing 4 years ago at this time. Exactly. A little give me, a little takey, a little ups and downs there, which I think we kind of went something similar to that. We kind of went something over here. We may start seeing some more stuff like this. I don't know. We're going to be some upsies and some downsies. Personally, I think we kind of did this area already, but hey, it don't matter. It's like, look, there's less Bitcoin. It's more expensive. If you don't have some, you're kind of always wishing I should have bought back there. It's from now on, it's going to be, I should have bought there. Man, I wish I bought some Bitcoin there. So I'm encouraging you to always nibble at some Bitcoin. Nibble at it. Stacks. Staking stacks get you Bitcoin. That's your Bitcoin rewards. That's one way. I don't know, something. You need Bitcoin in your life. You don't have Bitcoin in your life, you're kind of missing out on the thing. Your only hope is to make all your money in altcoins and maybe give it one more run next bear market. But who knows what Bitcoin's going to be there with the global adoption? Will we come back? It's hard to think that we're going to dip back below 70,000 come then. So, wow. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I appreciate you. Love ya. Y'all are awesome. Bullish on Parade says, I've been eyeballing Bub on Swee. That has been popping up on Tokenmetrics a lot. I want to look at it. Let's look at it. One last coin. I'm a sucker for a chart. You're a chart sucker. Sean, I don't pay you for commentary. What is going on here? That is the nice little markup, distribution, mark down, reaccumulation or accumulation, and then mark up and some distribution going on. She's holding this. I don't know that she can keep holding this. I really don't. But if she does, it's a good sign. Blub. Hey, Blub. She's really got us saying around this area about this 0.5 fib. It's about at, let's see what number we're at 1750 now. It's at 1519. Trend line 100 moving average is somewhere around 14.7. I could see us having a strong possibility to come back there, if not the 618. I don't think we'll see as much of the 618 out of some of these things, especially the way this one's set up right now. Unless we wick to it, could happen. That's at 12.8, 1280. A little bit of a pullback, trying to figure out our purpose in life here. But one thing that you can do is draw this trend line, and ooh, you do include that. I'm putting her on the radar. It could happen. It's within the parameters, if you will. Parameters. That's our word for the day, folks. Woke up this morning and said, word for the day, Alexa. Alexa, give me a word for the day. Oh, dog, all my Alexas are going off. It's the evilness of the turkey. A little pre-Thanksgiving revenge for all my feathered friends. Good night, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Let's go continue to make that money. The water's fine. So nice. Don't chase those green candles, though.
Come on, come here, bud.
Those green ones will make you throw up in the morning. You just don't realize it yet. Don't chase them green candles. The red candles are the cherry flavor one's my favorite.
I don't need to analyze every word that comes out is a lie. Make it look like it's so ice. You won't make it to the finish line. Now if you gotta know the truth was gonna let you go. You was fine, never mind, unpredictable. Fade eye off the ground, you ain't no one. You a star, blow it up like supernova. In the nighttime, hit my hotline. Sharing secrets, you was really was part your life. Basic bullets.
Launch sequence activated.